Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will show you how you can write text in FreeCAD. So let's get straight into it. So first thing what we are going to do is right here switch to the draft workbench, so like that. Now we will activate our shape string, so this is icon S right here. If I hover over, you will see shape from text. Click on that, and right here we can define text, position, Z, X, and Y. We can also set string, so type of your desired text, height, and font file. So I will put it this font file right in. So if you have it, then this is really great. Height will be a little bit like something like that, and let's go with 1, just that we see how it will look like that, and click OK. Okay, so something like that. Now we need to switch back to part workbench right here. So now we need to select here in this our tree view this shape string which we created like that. So I'll close that one, and now we will click to extrude tool. Like this one is right over here, so this one. Now we can set the length to determine the thickness, so 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters, or whatever thickness you would like to have. So if I go something like that against like that, and now as you can see we did something here with this thickness. As you can see, we can also change this where it's positioned. So if I quickly change this, it needs a bit of time when you put different values in it. And now what you can do, you can just here click on right click on extrude, transform, and you can translation increment or rotation increment. You can use it, okay, and so on and so on. So this is how you can write text in FreeCAD. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.